What is your opinion of Rheem versus York furnaces?
York is fairly decent, if you can get service in your area.
York is a national brand, despite the English-inspired name.
If you live too far from New York or the Northeast, you might have trouble finding a York-certified repair tech for warranty work or maintenance.
Let's assume service is not a deciding factor. Which furnace do you prefer?
York's TG9S model Latitude furnace has a 95.5% AFUE rating. That's almost as efficient as you could get.
I thought it had lower efficiency than that.
I understand why. The TG8S only has 80% AFUE, nearly the minimum efficiency allowed by law anymore unless you put in a wood stove.
Given EPA regulations on particulate emissions, it is almost illegal to install a new wood-burning stove anymore. You can't even sell the old one, so I need a furnace.
You could get the 2-stage LX series furnaces. Their efficiencies are in the 80s and 90s.
That sounds more like a summer forecast than anything else.
2-stage furnaces are popular because they are more efficient, since the second stage only kicks in when needed. It is quieter too, since the primarily stage isn't as loud as a high-power furnace.
I heard York has smart furnaces.
The Affinity series has a Climatrack smart device to predict the temperatures and adjust a furnace's function based on the weather instead of a set thermostat. In theory, this is more efficient.
And more private than a Nest thermostat that tells the utility how much power I'm using.
They get a pretty good idea of that just from your electric meter.
Is York better than Rheem?
York has a better warranty than Rheem, and it is equivalent on efficiency. The problem is the repair cost and service charges, which are higher with York.
But it is better than getting Rheem by Rheem.